Okay, it's Renee with New Attitude Travel. This is the Glass Light Hotel and Gallery in downtown Norfolk, Virginia. And let's check out the room. So you walk in, you have your closet space, drawers, okay, full-length mirror. All right. So small, cute, cozy, king-size bed. There's a rocking chair there in the corner. You have a refrigerator, coffee maker. You have your sink there. Okay, and then your toilet and shower. Nice big shower though. Rainfall shower head, handheld shower. Again, it's a nice size. I'll come in and turn around so you can see the room from another view. So just very basic room, but nice, clean, everything that you need. Let's peek out the window. This is on Granby Avenue here in downtown Norfolk. That's your view. Okay, and you can't really see the street below, but lots of restaurants and things to do in this area. So I would definitely call this a good choice. This is a Marriott property, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not, but they do have a 2-floor art gallery located here in the hotel, which I will check out and bring you footage of. Okay? So again, this is the Glass Light Hotel and Gallery.